Hello everyone. In the previous tutorial, we have seen the introduction about Nmap and how we can install the Nmap. So, in this tutorial, we are going to see what flag or switches in Nmap we have and how we are going to use this particular flag for scanning or discovering a network. Before that, I will also give you a disclaimer that you should not use this particular tool for any illegal activities. If you are doing so, we are not the person who are going to take blame for it, because it is a basic tutorial video where we are making you familiar with the tools. Okay, so let's begin with the very first flag of Nmap, that is TCP Connect Scan. So over here, as you know, we have a TCP connection. For that, we have a flag that is ST. So what does ST do? ST is a basic SYN scan which makes you more detectable. Okay, and in TCP we have half scan, full scan as well. Okay, so the very next thing about scanning of ports, that we have a UDP ports. UDP is a user datagram ports which most commonly used for services of domain, that is DNS scanning, and DSCP, that is dynamic host scanning as well. Okay, so the UDP is less reliable because it is not making any connection over here. It's just for a basic NTP DHCP scan only. Okay, so this is the UDP scan. And the very next over here, we have a version detection and aggressive scanning. Okay, let's talk about the flag, that is SV, which stands for the service version detection. Okay, by using this flag, that is SV, you can get the exact version which are been running on that particular open or closed ports. Okay, by default, we do not get the list of the closed ports. We only get the network discovered that are open and which services are being running. As well as using this command, it is -sv, we will get the version of that particular port. Okay, so next see the A, that stands for aggressive scanning. What does aggressive scan means? So when we use this flag in our nmap command for scanning any domain or target IP address, while applying this flag aggressive scan, we get the OS, versions detection, script scanning, trace route, all in a single command. Okay, but it's more of an intrusive way. Okay, that's what the aggressive scan stands for. And the very important scan, you can use ports. Okay, when we are simply giving an example, that is nmap scanme.nmap.org, as you can see over here, you are only getting the information about a particular port, that is TCP and UDP. Also, just like the port scanning, you can specify the ports as well. Okay, so over here in this example, as you can see, we have specified that is nmap-p80. Okay, that means I am trying to scan the particular organization scanme.nmap.org using a specification of port that is 80. Okay, that is HTTP port. Okay, so as you can see, I got the output, desired output for the port 80 only. I am not getting scan about the rest ports. Okay, so you can specify for the scanning as well. That is, you can use -p 121024. Has you know, we have a well-known ports that is listed from 1 to 1024. Okay, next, how you are going to detect the OS? As we have talked, we can use a aggressive scan for all the scanning. Okay, so by only for OS detection, you can be specific by applying the flag that is capital O. Okay, so also you can see in this example that we are getting the target OS running by applying the flag O. Okay, so as you can see, as I applied the flag -o, I get the desired output that this particular domain is running this particular port on Linux. Okay, and it lists me that what all instruction or what all output it has been fetched for the particular ports and services running on this OS. And the very next or the important thing, that while fetching the output, we can go for checking the timings also, and we can go for a bit more level advanced scan as well by using timing template and verbose output. Okay, but for now we are going to see what is timing template. Okay, so often time it happens that we try to scan a lot, but what if we get the timing for the scanning as well? Okay, so we can do that, and we can get more fast scanning by doing this particular timing template. So we are going to see this timing template and Verbose output much more in a practical scenario. So thank you so much for watching the Nmap tutorial.